Welcome to the Cleaning Up Small Chemical Spills training course, your essential guide to safely managing minor chemical incidents. In this comprehensive online course, you'll learn how to handle small chemical spills, ensuring a safe and compliant workplace. Understand what constitutes a small spill and why only trained personnel should handle cleanups. Discover the essential components of a spill kit and how to use personal protective equipment, or PPE, to protect yourself during cleanup. Follow our step-by-step guide to safely clean up spills. Identify the chemical, alert nearby personnel, use absorbents and neutralizers, and properly dispose of contaminated materials. Learn the proper disposal methods for contaminated items and the importance of reporting spills to your supervisor and the Environmental Health and Safety (EHS) department. Enroll in the Cleaning Up Small Chemical Spills training course today. Equip yourself with the knowledge to respond quickly and safely to minor chemical spills. Visit our website and start your training now.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach courses.